Okay. Lawson, what are we doing?
Trying to put a half windshield from SuperATV on.
That's right. So we got Lawson's Maverick X3 out here, and he's got a new half windshield from SuperATV. Here are the instructions. So he's working on that. I just aired up my tires on the front. I'd already done the back. We are preparing for a trail ride. We're going to 5313 Off-Road Park up in Calhoun, Georgia. You can see got the trailer out here, getting everything prepped. My machine is still messy. This will actually be the first trail ride since my accident back in January, and I'm not real worried about winning a beauty contest. Lawson's machine looks a lot better than mine does right now, but I'm sure it'll be full of dust by the end of the day. So anyway, that's what we're working on. Looks like, so what do we have here, Lawson? You got, what, a bracket on each side? And, oh, okay, I see. So bracket goes on, then what, you just screw it down and then?
I guess you just go in one of these holes.
Yeah. And then it just slides in down. Does it actually snap in, or is it just slides in? Okay. All right, well, cool. All right, well, we'll check back after we get this installed and let you take a look. All right, Lawson, how would you describe the installation of said half windshield?
Frustratingly easy.
Yeah, I would agree with that. So here's a few install notes. Number one, if you have the brackets at the bottom, just go ahead and pull them off. Lawson, when he got this, the machine had a full windshield, but it was all scratched up. So we removed the brackets down here. Those are a T25, by the way. And then we got the bracket installed over here. The frustrating thing with this is because basically this bracket needs to be all the way down in order to get it to mount right. And once it's down, then you have the challenge of basically getting the screws on the back. These are T25s also. Sorry, these are not Torx.
No, these are 4mm hex.
4mm hex. And then you can screw in the front of the actual windshield. So we got this one, we're just doing the final tighten down. But because of the way the dash is, it's just a little tight back there getting that in. But the windshield looks nice. This one is the hard coat Lexan material, which is the same thing I have, the same type of material I have on my front windshield. This is also SuperATV, and as you can see, I mean, I don't know if it picks up on the camera. There's a few scratches, gets a little bit of dust. There's a few scratches on there, but overall, it does hold up really, really well to scratches. The hope is that, of course, my windshield has two positions. I can lower it, and it has a vent position. On Lawson's machine, though, he wanted to have some good airflow coming through while not cutting everything off completely. But if you're at speed, hopefully this would help some of the dust stay out of the cabin. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Like Lawson said, frustratingly easy. And I'll post a link to this windshield in the description below. I'll also post a link to mine as well. And thanks for watching. Say bye, Lawson.
Bye.